Hey guys, this is the Tech Director, and this is going to be a video on how to install RAM onto your PC. Yeah, so my computer has two slots where you can put in RAM. Yeah, you really can't upgrade this anymore. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM. These are the two slots where you put them in, and I'll show you how. All you gotta do is line the notches up. All I gotta do is slide it in. Slide it in like so. And you have to put down the camera for a second because you have to push this. Sometimes it's a little hard to do. Okay, got it installed. So that's pretty much it. You just have to line this stuff up and get it in the slots, and yeah. So right after that, go plug everything back in your case, and yeah. That was the Tech Director with another video.